So I've been using Outseta for one of my most recent projects, and I'm a big fan. And so I wanted to share a few things that maybe are underrated features that once you get into it and you start using it for your workflow and for your running your business, or in this case my client's business, you realize how valuable this tool is. And the one I'm talking about today is segmentation. And I think it's underrated because in most situations, if you're running a membership or software business and you had a backend or a database or an authentication system to manage your users, you'd have to figure out a way, whether a manual process or some kind of integration, to get that information out of there and into your email marketing or email communication tool or platform. And you would also need to make sure that you are getting all of either the properties necessary brought over to create segments, or you would need to export just the people necessary that you're wanting to communicate to. And this could be a lot of work. With Outseta, it's just not a problem. You don't even have to think about it. And I think the reason I say this is probably underrated is as you're creating segments and communicating with your users while using Outseta, you kind of forget just how easy it is. I've done a lot of email marketing in the past, and creating segments and getting the right contact lists can be such a pain if you have a clunky back-end system or an old school CRM that doesn't integrate with your web application. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. If you go to your CRM and click segments, you'll have all of your segments here, and these are made based off of the properties in your account. So one that I set up was a segment called No Passwords Set. And this list of users is accurate down to the minute or second. What this is telling me is that somebody created an account, they went through the sign up process, but they haven't actually logged in and probably haven't set their password. And there might be an issue or they might need some help. Now all I have to do is click email, go to broadcasts, come over here, create a new broadcast, give it a name, write an email, and send it off in a matter of seconds. And you will get all of the open information, read information, click information from email marketing platforms that you would expect on the same account dashboard page that you're going to get all of their other user properties. I also set up a really simple but powerful drip campaign because in this website situation, we have an onboarding process where they fill out a series of 3 short forms. And so if after a day of signing up, they still haven't finished their onboarding, we're just going to send them a friendly reminder saying, hey, we're so excited to have you in the community, finish your onboarding, and we'll see you in there. And then it also gives us an opportunity to say, if you're having any issues, if you've got some questions or hesitancy, just let us know. Reply to this email. When they reply, it's going to create a ticket automatically in the help desk here in Outseta, and it's going to allow us to follow up with them and track that issue. In this situation, the ability to create accurate segments quickly based on relevant and up-to-date user data makes communicating with your customers an absolute breeze.